Welcome back to FD Auto. Today we review about 2026 Volkswagen Karmann Ghia. Volkswagen just brought back one of the most iconic names in automotive history, the Karmann Ghia. But this isn't a nostalgia play. The 2026 model blends classic design language with modern, electric architecture, targeting drivers who want style, substance, and a story behind their ride. This is for the person who appreciates craftsmanship but refuses to sacrifice technology or performance. It's intimate, it's elegant, and it's engineered to surprise you. The silhouette is unmistakable, low, swept back, and sculpted with intention. Volkswagen kept the essence of the original coupe but sharpened every angle for 2026. The front fascia flows seamlessly into the fenders, and those LED lighting signatures feel futuristic without being aggressive. The body sits close to the pavement, giving it a planted, athletic stance whether you're parked downtown or cruising through canyon roads. Wheel options range from 18 to 20 inches, and each one complements the clean, uncluttered proportions. This car photographs beautifully, but it looks even better in motion. Underneath, the Karmann Ghia rides on Volkswagen's MEB electric platform, which has been fine-tuned for sportier handling and a more engaging feel. The suspension balances comfort with precision. It soaks up city potholes without feeling floaty and on winding roads. It stays composed and communicates what the tires are doing. Highway cruising is smooth and stable, with minimal body roll even during spirited lane changes. This isn't a stiff sports car, but it's not soft either. It finds that sweet spot where confidence meets comfort. Power comes from a rear-mounted electric motor in the base configuration, delivering 230 horsepower and instant torque that makes merging and passing effortless. There's also an available dual-motor all-wheel drive setup that bumps output to 320 horsepower. Acceleration feels quick and linear, with zero lag from a stop. The single-speed transmission is seamless, and regenerative braking can be adjusted to suit your driving style. Real-world range sits around 280 miles on a full charge, which is competitive for this size and performance level. Charging is fast. You can recover about 80% in under 35 minutes on a DC fast charger. The dual-motor AWD version adds a front motor for enhanced grip and more dynamic cornering. Torque distribution happens instantly, shifting power where it's needed most. You get multiple drive modes: eco, comfort, sport, and individual, each adjusting throttle response, steering weight, and suspension firmness. Sport mode tightens everything up and makes the car feel more alive, while eco extends range without feeling sluggish. In wet or slippery conditions, the system inspires confidence without drama. Step inside and you're greeted by a minimalist cabin that prioritizes quality over excess. Soft touch materials cover the dashboard, and the seats are wrapped in sustainable upholstery that feels premium to the touch. The driver's seat is perfectly bolstered, offering support without feeling restrictive. Rear seating is snug. This is a 2+2 layout, so it's best suited for short trips or smaller passengers. Visibility is excellent thanks to slim pillars and a low belt line. Storage is thoughtful, with deep door pockets and a surprisingly usable trunk for weekend getaways. A 12-inch touchscreen anchors the center console, running Volkswagen's latest software that's quick to respond and intuitive to navigate. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto come standard, and the voice assistant actually understands natural language. You can customize shortcuts on the home screen, and over-the-air updates keep the system fresh. The digital instrument cluster is configurable, showing everything from navigation to energy flow in crisp, high-resolution detail. Standard safety tech includes adaptive cruise control, automatic emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, and lane keeping assist that feels helpful rather than intrusive. The system will gently steer you back if you drift, but it won't fight you. There's also a 360-degree camera system and rear cross-traffic alert, making tight parking situations stress-free. Driver attention monitoring uses interior cameras to ensure you're staying focused on longer drives. Behind the wheel, the Karmann Ghia feels intimate and connected. Steering is weighted, just right light enough for city maneuvering but firm enough to build trust at speed. The ride quality strikes a balance that works for daily commutes and weekend escapes. Cabin noise is well controlled, with only a slight hum from the tires at highway speeds. Acceleration is smooth and confidence-inspiring, and the low center of gravity makes the car feel planted through corners. This is a car that rewards engagement without demanding it. The 2026 Volkswagen Karmann Ghia is a rare blend of heritage and innovation. It's perfect for drivers who want an electric vehicle that doesn't look or feel like everything else on the road. It's stylish, well-built, and genuinely enjoyable to drive. If you value design, craftsmanship, and a driving experience that feels personal, This deserves serious consideration. It won't blend into the background, and that's exactly the point. If this review helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more in-depth breakdowns, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new release. Thanks for watching. Drive safe, and I'll see you in the next one.